I am Aftab from Jahangir Group and also a senior vice chairman of APCCMA Pakistan. And I am here second time in my history, first time in Chicago 2024 with my delegations. Now I am here in Las Vegas 2025 and this is the second day of my exhibition, and it is a good experience. And as tomorrow I said that this is a great event and many things is there, and America is a land of opportunity. You must come here and come to the Pakistani, come here and see the machines and technology that can adopt and they can export in Pakistan from they can export from Pakistan to abroad, and in this way they can earn the money and help the Pakistani to earn some foreign remittances from foreign money for Pakistan. Okay. Question? Any question? You question me?